This video will guide you on how to manually configure a VPN in Windows 11. So watch this video fully. Here is everything you need to know about manually configuring, connecting and disconnecting a VPN connection on Windows 11. You can manually set up a VPN connection on Windows 11 via settings. If you don't want to use the app provided by the VPN service provider, you can manually configure your VPN directly within Windows 11 settings. To manually set up your VPN connection on Windows 11, you can follow these steps. First, you have to head to the settings. From the start menu to the settings. Now from here, go to the network and internet. Now just go to the second tab, that is VPN. Now you'll see a button add VPN here. Just click on that. You have to configure the settings here. And now from here, VPN provider, make sure that you select the VPN built-in option selected from the drop down. Now you can create your VPN name, my VPN. Now next you have to add your server name or address. Enter the server name or the address in this field to connect to the specific server. For example, you can enter the server name as UK 1094.norvpn.com, or you can enter the address, that is IP address. This is usually provided by the VPN service you have subscribed to. If it is not subscribed, you can easily find the server name or the server address on your VPN provider's website. Either you can use the server name or you can use the IP address, like this. Now next you have to move to the VPN type. From the VPN type drop down, choose a VPN protocol required to connect to the specific VPN server. Most VPN servers use L2TP IPsec protocol, but the server you are connecting to may have a different configuration. So you have to check it with the provider, or you can choose automatic. If you are sure about the protocol, then you can select that one, or unsure, then you can select the automatic from here. Now if you are selecting the L2TP IPsec, that is pre-shared key, then you will get another field where you have to enter the pre-shared key here. I'm setting it automatic. Now you have to move to the type of sign-in info. Most VPN services use a username and password to authenticate the connection, but some VPN service providers offers a smart card, one-time password, or even certificate. So based on your provider, you can select this option. I'm selecting username and password here. And if you are using a free connection with no username and password, you can just leave this field blank. Make sure that you check in the remember my sign-in info, and then you have to click on save. Now next, once you set a VPN either through the settings or control panel, it will be available to connect to a VPN network from the quick settings panel. Here it will list all the connections you have created. You can see that the my VPN is available. You can click on connect to the VPN server. Also, you can quickly connect from the taskbar. If you click on the network settings from here, you will get a third option here. You can see the VPN is now available. Just click on that and all the VPNs you have created will be listed here, and you can directly connect to the VPN of your choice from here. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.